Yo, what's up guys? So today I'm going to be showing you how you can get a free soundboard in Gorilla Tag. No PC and no phone, so you don't have to push it in your head strap or by where your nose is. So you want to go to your browser and go to YouTube, and then you want to search up any song you want. So for example, I want to try Daisy 09, I'll click on this. Click on Daisy 09 song. Wait for the ad to finish. Click take. Oh yeah, it's just one ad, okay. Nice. Yeah, please subscribe. I know I always say this, but please. I want to drop my controller. Okay, so yeah, play the song. And you wanna skip all the way to the end. When I get to the end of the song, let go, click on Gorilla Tag as fast as you can. And then if you've done it correctly, if you didn't do it correctly, click on quit, quit Gorilla Tag. Put the song all the way back to the beginning. Play it. Drag it all the way to the end. Let go Gorilla Tag. So this one, the next song will play. So you want to click on the first one. Shiny Rocks is playing for me. You should be. I'm in Gorilla Tag, and well, I've got music playing. Back in the stack, Gorilla Tag, you know what I'm like. So that's how you get a free soundboard in Gorilla Tag. I hope this helps you, but you can troll. But yeah, so bye.